In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Ads and Search Console. Connecting Google Ads with your Search Console is a step forward towards a highly optimized advertising strategy. This fusion allows you to see how your paid search efforts complement your organic search performance, shedding light on the bigger picture of your online presence. Let's start with the very first action you need to take. You'll need to navigate to your Google Ads dashboard. This is the command center where all your advertising campaigns are managed. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Tools section. You may wonder why. This is simply because the Tools section in Google Ads is like a treasure chest. It houses a suite of utilities and settings that empower you to tailor your ad campaigns for optimum performance. Hovering over Tools will bring up a menu full of these powerful features. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Data Manager. Think of the Data Manager as your data control room. It's the place where you can manage how your Google Ads account interacts with other data sources such as Google Analytics, or in our case, Google Search Console. After selecting Data Manager, your next stop is Search Console. Choosing this option is like choosing to bridge two islands of data. Google Search Console offers insights into how your website is performing in organic search, revealing opportunities and issues that could be affecting your site's visibility. Clicking on Search Console will move you closer to linking these platforms, but you're not quite there yet. You'll be prompted to proceed. This step is akin to opening the door between Google Ads and Search Console, allowing you to step through and set up the connection. Now, for the pivotal moment, you'll need to paste the URL of your site into the specified field. It's crucial to ensure that the URL you enter matches the one you use in Google Search Console. This is to ensure consistency and to verify that you're attempting to link the correct assets. Finally, the button you've been working towards, Link Site. By clicking this, you affirm your intention to link Google Ads with your Search Console account. Think of it as sealing the deal, a handshake between these two powerful platforms that confirms their new partnership. Let me offer you a few tips to ensure that this process is as smooth as possible. 1. Ensure that you have the necessary access. You'll need to have administrative access to both your Google Ads account and the Google Search Console property you're linking to. 2. Verify your website in Google Search Console beforehand. This step is a prerequisite because it proves ownership of the site, ensuring that the data Google collects is going into the right hands. 3. Consider the implications of linking these accounts. Once linked, data from Search Console, including impressions and clicks, will be visible within Google Ads. This integration can provide deeper insights into how your ads and organic search results are working together. 4. Remember, the ultimate goal of linking Google Ads with Search Console is to gain a comprehensive understanding of your website's visibility on Google. From understanding how your paid keywords complement your organic search efforts to pinpointing gaps in your advertising strategy, this connection gives you a wider lens through which to view your online performance. Linking your Google Ads and Google Search Console accounts marks a pivotal step in leveraging the full power of Google's tools to optimize your online presence. It bridges the gap between paid and organic search data, providing you with invaluable insights that can help you refine your search marketing strategy. With these tools connected, you're better equipped to understand how users discover your website, enabling you to make informed decisions that drive traffic and enhance your online visibility. Thank you for joining me in navigating through these steps to successfully link your Google Ads and Search Console accounts. Remember, each step from navigating to Google Ads to finally clicking Link Site is a move towards a more integrated and informed approach to managing your online presence. Always ensure to double check your access rights, verify your website, and proceed with a clear understanding of how these connections enhance your search strategy.